Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents The Magic Onion. Things you didn't know onions could do. Before I start with this video, you should know that onions are a natural cure for many health problems. I recommend to stay tuned and watch the video till the end because I'm going to share with you amazing homemade onion remedies. Onion is believed to be the most effective natural remedy for severe vomiting and is an excellent immune system booster. It belongs to the allium family, and its powerful antiseptic and antibiotic properties are due to the high amounts of sulphur. Moreover, onion is also loaded with the antioxidant quercetin, which efficiently fights free radicals. Onions can vary in size, shape, color, and flavor. The most common types are red, yellow, and white onion. Flavors can vary from sweet and juicy with a mild flavor to sharp, spicy, and pungent, often depending on the season in which they are grown and consumed. Onions can be easily juiced and consumed as such, helping with respiratory diseases because of its cleansing nature. You'll be amazed when I'll tell you that respiratory conditions respond well to onion juice as it is a great expectorant. Onions are good for cholesterol levels, heart, arthritis, a great antioxidant, and good for diabetes due to its flavonoid and sulfur compounds. Onions have been used as a standard treatment for thousands of years. Onions have been a commonly used remedy for flu and colds by the Native Americans. The potent properties of onions to relieve respiratory infections, bronchitis, and coughs have been confirmed by the World Health Organization. This is how we can use onion as a natural treatment for various ailments and health issues. Cough. To cure a chronic cough, you just have to peel a large onion and slice in half. Cover the face of each onion with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and cover the onions for 1 hour. The sugar-onion relish should be taken twice a day to help with the cough. Vomiting. You should grate 2 onions, one white, the other yellow. You should squeeze the juice from them, wrapped in a cheesecloth. Then brew some peppermint tea and leave it to cool. Then drink 2 teaspoons of the onion juice and wait 5 minutes. And next drink 2 teaspoons of the cool peppermint tea and wait for another 5 minutes. Repeat this until the symptoms subside. Nausea will go away in 15 minutes and vomiting almost immediately. Ear pain infection. You just have to chop onion and put them into a thin sock and tie the sock closed. Place the flattened onion sock over the troubled ear and cover the head ear sock with a hat to hold the sock in place. You should take it off when the pain disappears. Colic. This is a popular Cherokee Indian recipe for colic babies. You should boil some diced yellow onion in some water and leave it to cool. Drain and give your baby a teaspoon of this tea on every hour until the baby relieves the symptoms. Fever. Rub some coconut oil on the bottom of your feet, then cut the onion in thin slices and put a slice on the foot arc and wrap with cling wrap. Next, put in socks and this will remove toxins from the body as well as the illness. Break up chest congestion. Mix some coconut oil with crushed onions. Apply this mixture on the chest, then cover with a towel and put on a t-shirt. Cuts. The onion skin has a transparent film which has potent antiseptic properties and can stop the bleeding immediately. Purify the air. Put onion slices on plates around your house to cleanse the air from bacteria and viruses. These are some unusual but really effective uses of onion. Prevent freckling by rubbing onion slices on you. Rub some onion juice on the scalp to stimulate hair growth. To prevent rusting of the iron, rub an onion slice onto it. To repel pests, spray some boiled and cooled onion juice onto your plants. In order to repel bugs, you should cut the onion and rub its slices on you. Onion slices can be used for glassware and copper polishing. The juice of the onion successfully repels moths. Onions have been used as a natural remedy in the case of numerous ailments for centuries due to their powerful beneficial properties. Therefore, you should try some of these homemade onion remedies and treat your health issues in a completely safe and natural way. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.